Morning guys, we're at the Eiffel Tower.
It's actually so warm and it's such a perfect day. Like, actually, I've been to Blackpool before, Chris has never been to Blackpool. I thought it would be the same, but it's not. It's not the same, it's much bigger. That's really cool.
It's huge. I'm just going to head down and then hopefully go the whole way up. Well, if Natalie's not a wimp today. So, we'll get some people here that are getting married. How cute is that? Okay, a sweet crazy guy. I don't know why he doesn't put on some clothes. When we come off the bus, we're actually still quite a wee bit away from the Eiffel Tower, but we just come down here and there's some cracking statues and that. Natalie's been a rebel. I'm gonna get some good pictures. So what's very strange is, as you can see here, it's all glassed off from this bit. So strange. I'm not too sure how we're going to get in. Look.
We're here.
Yep, we're just here.
Checkpoint point you've got to go through, you've got to go through a metal detector. With my pacemaker I had to get a pat down, but it's just worth noting that you've got to go through security.
So that's us in, as Natalie said. Just to try and give you a bit of perspective, there's Natalie and there's me standing right underneath it. Oh, look at that. That's not even all the way up. And the queues today, Natalie's headed over in the distance there and they snake all the way around here. Now it's about 12 o'clock and unfortunately we're away doing other things this morning. We'd have loved to have came here about 9:30. It'd have been dead quiet, but we're here at lunchtime and we just need to put up with the big long queues. So catch you up there. We're just on the second floor here.
We were very high and I'm not really feeling confident about it.
Nah.
I'm very scared.
If I'm honest, I'm not really very good with this sort of stuff either, so we're hopefully going to make it at the top today. The views are really good.
Such a clear day.
It is such a clear day actually. Views are amazing, even from just the second floor. Natalie's not really coping with it too well now.
I'm not feeling at all well with it.
So we're now just at the top and I've got sweaty palms. I think Natalie's the same. We're just going to head over to the window, have a wee look. Yeah, we'll go up. That's alright. Oh! So I made it. Oh my.
Oh my god, don't.
How are you feeling? Right, Mum, we'll go this way. Sorry. Wait. This is crazy. Bitte. How are you finding it, Natalie?
I don't like it at all.
You don't like it?
It's the worst idea ever.
Right, okay, come on, we'll go back inside for you. Come on. Guys, this is brilliant. You ever get a chance, come and do it. So here's where we started today. We're a long way up. I'm not exactly too sure what it is, but it looks brilliant. It looks tiny from up here, but come all the way to Eiffel Tower, watch a wee game of football. It's turned out a cracking day for Eiffel Tower today, and that's us now on the second floor, and for some strange reason we don't actually feel as if we're that high up. I think it's because we went to the top, so Natalie's sort of calmed down a wee bit and we've just went out here. Well, okay, she's not really calmed down at all, but
Being bribed with more waffles.
yeah, going to get her some waffles if she just goes along with me today. Highly recommend doing this today, guys. Well, not the day, because you just can't do it today, but you know what I mean. I know, people are sunbathing down there. Just some standing views.